5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Paskong Pasko na, ketiking SM City, San Fernando downtown. Opisyal na ang sinimula ng Christmas festivities at SM. Isang taunang selebrasyon ng pamilya, pagkakaibigan at sama-samang kasiyahan ngayong Kapaskuhan.
You will have a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Ngayong taon, hindi lang ito tungkol sa tree lighting ceremony. Mas pina-festive ang holiday sa dami ng fun at heartwarming activities na pwedeng enjoyin ng pamilya at ng barkada.
This year, aside from our annual tree lighting ceremony, we're bringing you more holiday activities for families and friends to enjoy, creating lasting memories together.
Ayon sa pamunuan ng SM City San Fernando Downtown, ang selebrasyon ay paalala ng family ties at meaningful connections tulad ng ribbons na bumabalot sa ating Christmas gifts. Simbolo ito ng pagmamahalan at pagkakaisa.
Theme natin this year is a very Merry Christmas because we feature a big bear sa likod ni Rudolph. You can take photos. There are several days na nandito si Santa, no, with the reindeer, so you can take a picture with Santa also.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.